Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy, 74 Midwest Base, and as you can see, we got mail. So what we got for today is just some of the last finishing touches for the Monster Suburban build. Anybody that's just tuning in, the Monster Suburban build consists of 4 ZV618s on 4 8Ks. So one 8K per subwoofer. And I said this should be the last of it. I thought the last was the last of it, but once you get in there and get the building, then you find out what you still are lacking. So without any further ado, what we got is 1, 2 of the recoil RCAs. You can see 100% OFC RCA cables, and these are 2 6-foot pairs. And the reason we opted to get 6-foot pairs is because the Brazilian style amps that we have are not 2 inputs, they're 1 in and 1 out. So what we'll do is daisy chain these from amp to amp using these. So we'll go from the stereo to the first amp, out to the second amp, out to the third amp, out to the fourth amp, and we'll have 1 single RCA left. So, well, they're sealed up, but like I said, not too much going on, nothing special, just more RCAs. We chose to get the recoil because they were in the right price range, and also OFC cable. So, like I said, we've already started on building the Suburban. We currently have everything hooked up with 1 amp, everything hooked up to 1 amp. So we've got 1 8K running all 4 of the ZV6s. We've done meter tests and everything like that. But like I said, stay tuned for that. That build series will be coming soon. And also, we have a competition tomorrow where I will be going and competing. Then at the end of the season, what we'll do is we'll make a specific video showing all the awards and trophies and championships and things like that that we've won over the course of 2025. So, like I said, not too much going on. Also, stay tuned. We've got some new amps in. We're going to be doing some more testing on the Vibe Audio Black Death SPL12. And also, for those of y'all who caught that last video, the best budget 12 possibly on the market right now, under $100. So, like I said, not too much going on. Just catch updates before we start the actual build series, and then start doing some testing and show you guys how it performs. Now, we were gonna just throw all 4 of the 8Ks in to see how it does, but we opted to do it in stages to see how the SPL gains when we're doubling power. So like I said, we've got 1 in now. You're gonna see the SPL score. Then we're gonna put 2 in, see the SPL score. Then we're gonna put the 4 in and see the SPL score. So each time we change, we'll be doubling the power to see how much we actually gain on the meter. It is your guy, 74 Midwest Base. Any questions, comments, concerns, as always, leave them in the comments, and we will most definitely address them all. We out of there, man.